welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I uploaded video, right? I know you guys miss me. Today there's a new content that I'm bringing out, and I want you guys to see. Actually, I went for a funeral, then I captured some historical moment, a culture. Let me not explain. Let's go watch the video out. So guys, this is Nagla, and when we say Nagla is a dance that's being performed by the people of Kasena, and these Kasena people are located in the upper east of Ghana. So when you come to Ghana, upper east region, in Ghana over here, it's regions that we do have. So right now we have almost about 16 regions in Ghana. So this upper east region of Ghana is where you can find these people. So they are the Navrongo and Paga. So it's two people, two ethnic groups, but they are located in one region. So this is a dance that they portray, and this is the Nagla dance. And what I really love about this culture, you know, I'm a culture guy. I love everything about culture when it comes to culture dance, culture food, culture clothes, like everything about culture. I love it. But this actual dance that I went for a funeral, then I recorded it, and I was like, no, I need to let my viewers or my subs to know about this culture. The energy that they used to dance, I tell you, it's out. It's unique. And if you're not strong, you cannot dance, because they go, it's like they jump and then bring the foot firmly to the ground, that if you're not a man, I won't lie to you, you can't. Okay guys, here ends the video. I hope you guys enjoy the video really well. Actually, I was able to bring just less information about it. So if you know more information about it, or you are someone who is from Navrongo who has watched this video, just let me know. Or you can just you can give more information under the comment section. I'll be very glad to read that, because I like to know more about it, and even go to where actually they do this, or their hometown, where they portray the real culture, so that I'll bring it to my viewers And thank you for joining. Also, leave your comment under the comment section. Leave a comment under the comment section. Let me know, and then we grow this channel to 1K. You started, and I know we're going to end it. I love you all. Thanks for joining this video. Enjoy your day. Boom.